Hello students, we will continue with exercise 12.2. Let's discuss question number 5 now. In question number 5, there is a circle and there is an arc, let's say AB. And they are saying the arc AB subtend 60 degree at the center. So the angle over here is 60. And they are also saying the radius of the circle, that is OA and OB, both are of obviously 21 centimeter. Okay, so now what you have to do, you have to find three things. The first one, you have to find the length of the arc AB. Okay, so number one is the length of the arc, AB. So how to find the length of the arc? Formula is theta by 360 into total circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So what is your theta? At the center 60. So 60 by 360 into 2, pi is 22 by 7, and radius of the circle is of course 21. So cancellation 6, this is 3, 7, 7, 7 cancel. So 22 centimeter. So this is the first part of the question. Length of the arc AB is 22 centimeter. Now let's try to solve the second part. Now in the second part, you have to find the area of the sector formed by the arc AB. So let me name the sector. Your sector will be now OA. Let me take another point here, PB, isn't it? So area of the sector, you have to find the area of the sector OAPB. So formula for area of a sector is theta by 360 into total area of the circle is pi r square. So again theta is 60, so 60 by 360, pi is 22 by 7, radius is of course 21 into 21. Now if you simplify this one, you will get 231 centimeter square. So area of the sector formed by the arc AB, that is OAPB, is 231 centimeter square. Now let's go to the third part. Now in the third part, you have to find area of the segment corresponding to the chord. So which is the chord now? You have to join the chord. The chord is AB. That means you have to find the area of this segment. Okay. So now how to find the area of the segment then? So if you look at the figure, you will notice area of the segment is basically area of the sector OAPB, isn't it? So area of the sector OAPB minus area of the triangle OAB, isn't it? Now we already know the area of the sector. Area of the sector is 231. Now how to find the area of the triangle OAB? Now if you observe the triangle OAB, your OA is equal to OB. Why? Because radii of the same circle. That means your angle A is equal to angle B, and we already know angle AOB is 60 degrees, isn't it? So of course your others angle, because they are equal, will be 60. That means all angles in the triangle are 60 degree. That means triangle OAB is, let me write it here for you people, triangle OAB is equilateral, isn't it? So if it is equilateral, then we can apply the formula for equilateral triangle. The formula for equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. Okay, so that will give you 231 minus root 3 by 4. What is the side of the triangle? 21 square, isn't it? So the final answer will be 231 minus 21 square is 441 root 3 by 4 centimeter square, isn't it? So this is the final answer, area of the segment. All right, so I have discussed question number 5 in this video. Next video we shall be covering question number 6.